Hey, what's up? So Mercedes P0456, a trouble code for your check engine light. So if you look here on this thing, you could see here is the crack, and it runs from here to here, and then on the other side, right here, you can see the crack is going all the way through. It's going through here, and you can see it cracked over here. So it cracked here and here, and that's what was causing the small evap leak. So if you don't have a mini torque wrench, just use a nut driver because it only requires 6 Newton meters or whatever. And then just do a star pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. That's it. All right, guys. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new. Please comment, like, subscribe, slam that like button. Before I found the evap leak, I replaced this O-ring first just to make sure that it was not the fuel cap.